dear students. Today we are discuss the remaining part of human capital formation. Dear students, today we are discuss the role of human capital formation in Indian economy in an organization. So dear students, we have a lot of roles of human capital formation. The first one, change in emotion and material environment of growth. Generally, today the emotions change. Human capital formation, it shows the all the resources, man and material properly utilized in an organization. They always focus on the work in an organization. They always avoid the emotion of the employees. Clear? Next one, high productivity of physical capital. Physical capital means machine. The students, machine is always operated by the people, but nowadays the old machine is latest technological machines. They always contribute in production is so fastly and more. So the human capital formation is always develop the efficiency and skills of the people. They always utilize the physical resources in a proper way. Next one, innovative skills. The human capital formation develop the facilities of innovative skills of the employees, because the human capital formation develop the skills, knowledge, update the all latest technological knowledge to a people, employees. So it is always develop the innovative ideas of the employees. Next one, high rate of participations and equality. Generally, production capacity of the labor is raised by the human capital formation, because human capital formation is a stock of expertise and skills, and we have the lot of expertise and skills stock, then definitely the level of productivity of human is fastly rises. So the participations of the employees is rise in an organization due to human capital formation. So dear students, that's your role of human capital formation. So the question is, you will prepare on your fair copy, what is human capital formation, briefly explain the role of human capital formation. The next topic is problem facing of human capital formation. So we have a lot of problem facing in an organization by human capital formation. The first problem is rising population. The rate of population is rise so fastly. So the lot of population, unskilled and uneducated, stay in the economy. They don't contribute in a production process. They don't able to contribute in production process. So it is always create the unemployment in the economy. So the rate of human capital formation is slow in the economy. Brain drain. That's your another problem of human capital formation. Sometimes the lot of people migrate from one place to another places. The lot of people, they have the skills, they have the knowledge of the advanced technology, and they also catch the job of another country, and they migrate from one country to another country. That is called brain drain. Next one, deficit manpower planning. Dear students, that's your another problem of human capital formation. The manpower planning is not balanced in an organization, because the demand of manpower is greater than the supply of manpower, because the manpower we have the lot of people, but they don't able to do work in an organization because they have no knowledge how to operate the machine. Next one, influence. Insufficient on the job method of training. Dear students, on the job method of training is also source of the development of human capital formation, but we have no sufficient source of the on the job method of training. The lot of people, lot of experts, they don't give the training to employees for the working in an organization. So insufficient on the job method of training, they don't develop the skills and expertise of knowledge to a people, so its impact goes, the level of productivity is fall in the economy, in the organization, and the human capital formation is slow. So that's your another problem of human capital formation. The next one is low academic standard. That's your another main problem of human capital formation. In India, the education system is very different because in India, the lot of students only take the degrees, they have no technical knowledge, so they don't able to contribute in production process, and the rate of human capital formation is very low because they have no vocational knowledge of about the machines, technology, and how is operated. So that's your problem of human capital formation. So today we are discuss two questions of human capital formation. The first one is the first question is role of human capital formation. What is human capital formation? Briefly explain the role of human capital formation. And next question is briefly explain the problem of human capital formation. Dear students, you will prepare the both question on your fair copy, and you will also learn the both questions. And dear students, you will send your attendance each day. Clear? Or you will also prepare your fair copy. Thank you very much, Beta.